getting my first 30K month. It's going to go down. It's going to change my life. How am I going to do it? Am I doing it? Check it out. Yo, what's going on? Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hitting my first 30K month. I've made some really good money online. The whole premise of me creating this channel, this YouTube channel, and also my blog, which I created years ago, both I made at the same time, was to track my journey to financial freedom. My channel has kind of evolved since then, and now I am really showing you how to grow your own business online, especially since the pandemic and COVID. And so in this case, I'm using the vehicle of challenges, the 5-day challenge model. This is something that's becoming ever increasingly popular. It's creating 4, 5, even 6-figure months for a lot of entrepreneurs and business coaches and just business owners in all different spheres. Say that 5 times. But I'm using this mainly. I already ran a number of challenges that were pretty successful. I wouldn't say just over the top successful, but in this case, I'm working with Doug Boughton and his gamified challenge model to increase engagement and results in sales so that I can hit my 30K month. I want to use this model in order to hit my first 50K month. Let me tell you something. Getting in business online, I thought $40,000 was a huge stretch to make in a month. I did not see that happening. Just to make 10K was something that was very difficult. By the way, if you're interested in making 5 to 10K per month using email without showing your face, I've done a special little training. It's 15-20 minutes long, very quick and short. I show you how to do it. I break it down by the numbers, and it's very easy to do. Listen to the birds singing. They agree with me here in the background. But I have a link for that down below if you're interested. Now, with the challenge model, you create your challenge, you have your offer, you have your product. It's beautiful. You structure it in such a way. The thing that makes it different with Doug Boughton's model is that you add gamify, I'm just going to use the word gamify. You gamify your challenge. So you add contests, you put people on teams, you make it exciting, because the more engaged you are, the more involved you are in something. Let me shut this computer off. The more involved you are in something, the more likely it is for you to take action and grow your business or grow whatever the end product is for that challenge. And then on the call to action, on the offer, you're more likely to take action to that as well. So in my case, I have an affiliate product. I have 2 challenges. I have an affiliate product on one because I am an affiliate marketing coach. It would be silly of me to do something without an affiliate product. And then number 2, I also have a premium list building course that I just recently started, which shows people how to make 5 to 6 figures per month with what I call themed position marketing. You are going to be seeing that as well. And these are all free. These are free challenges for right now. Hopefully I will make them paid challenges. And so the first thing is to know what you're promoting. The second thing when it comes to challenge is to grow your audience. And how do you do that? You do that with organic methods. You do that with free methods. And you also do that with paid methods. Now, I'm an expert in paid marketing, whether it's Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads. This next one I'm going to be running, I'm going to be incorporating them all. But you have to pay money. So if you don't have the money, you can use the free methods, which I highly recommend. Now, after you do that, then you pick your date. You know when you're going to begin your 5-day challenge. And now you have to structure your slideshow. Okay. Then after you do that, on the 5th day and the 6th and the 7th day, you are going to promote your offer for those who attend your training. Now, gamifying comes way beforehand on days like we call it the pregame day, which is the day before you actually start. You kind of hold a little pep rally almost. Okay, get people excited. You put people on teams, and people volunteer to be on certain teams, and they collaborate, right? Because you're going to be offering homework. And so for the homework, you are going to be offering points. You're going to reward people with points and create a leaderboard and all of that. Now, this does sound like a lot for one individual, and it is. This is why you only do it 1 to 2 times, well, once per month, or once every other month, or once every quarter. Some people do it. But nonetheless, this is something that works very well because it's live. And anytime you do something live and you have an audience, the numbers are insane. Okay. So that is what I'm doing. This is a very quick rundown. This is the first video of many that I'm going to create. If you're interested in learning how to build your own $100,000 map or $100,000 business with affiliate marketing, I'm running a 5-day challenge on it. And if you want to just see my page, you want to see how my Facebook group is structured, to see this process live, go ahead and click the link below. You will see a link. It says free coaching. You'll click that link first. You'll get all the necessary links so that you can sign up for my free challenges. And, just watch how I do things. Get involved and just really see how I do it, and so that you can mimic it and do the same thing, okay? But until then, I have tons of free stuff for you. Please, please, please go ahead, click on the description below. I want you to hack all of my stuff. Download it all because that's what it's there for. Go through the free courses. You should be making at least $1,000 a month with anything that I upload on YouTube with my video, okay? I hide nothing. But if you have any other questions, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Help me grow this channel so I can expand my message to the masses. You can still make money online very easily, and you don't have to spend a dime to do it. So that's it for this one. Drop some comments down below. Let me know if you guys are having any issues generating income with your efforts online. And don't forget to subscribe. Click those links. I'll see you guys soon.